like it hit the grass.
I thought it hit the grass. They give it
Batter's eye. Let's take a look at that. I mean, that thing, that cleared the wall and came back like it was a Super Bowl.
All right, let's take a look at this, because we see if we've got a camera angle of it. You see Buxton going back, and it did hit the top of the ledge. You're right.
The very top.
Yeah. Hit the top of the ledge and bounced back.
What, in a million years he couldn't do that again.
No.
All right, so the Yankees lead 3-1 now. Top of the order is Grisham with a chance to pick up another run. RBI for Wellesley is 60.